Hi friends, this is Datta and today we are going to learn the new intro question. What are the different types of constraints in Microsoft SQL Server? So there are basically 6 types of constraints like not null, check constraint, default, unique constraint, primary config constraint and foreign key constraint. Okay, so we'll study one by one in practical example. Okay, the first is not null constraint. Okay, this constraint enforces users or database to accept only not null values in the particular column. To study this constraint, I will just create one test table and demonstrate how to use this constraint. So create table test one two three as id with integer data type and name with varchar data type. Okay, I have created table. Okay, before creating table I will just check and I will use not null constraint over here. Okay, if I specify not null constraint for id column, then it will not accept any not null value while inserting data. I will try to insert statement into test 1 2 3 and I will give values as id is equal to 101 and name is equal to name 1. So it will accept because it is having both not null values. Okay, now I will try to insert null value and it will not allow me to insert not null values. You can see over here it will give me error violation of not null constraint. Okay, so this is about not null constraint. We will study now second type as check constraint. Okay, check constraint enforces database to accept the values after checking the condition in check constraint. Okay, if we specify the column as a mobile number and we put a check constraint to accept only 10 digit numbers, then it will not accept any other number other than a 9 digit 10 digit number. Okay, so we will create one more table test check and it will have values as id as int and mobile number as big int. Okay, basically we will apply here check constraint as check while inserting values like mobile number should be greater than or between 100 and okay, these are the values lowest and highest in a 10 digit number. So we have to insert the value in between this only. Now I will insert one correct record as id 101 and mobile number as 996003989. Okay, and I will see whether it is giving me error or not. Ideally it should not give error because which obeys the constant condition given in a check constant. If I give some other value, then we'll see what will happen. I will give some other value which will not satisfy the condition, and it will give me error. It is again conflict with check constant. The error is self-explanatory to understand there is an issue in a check constant. Okay, that's all for check constant. Now we'll see default constant. So default constant enforces database to use default value whenever user don't specify the value for a particular field while inserting a data in a records. Okay, table. We'll create one table and test default constant. Create table as test def and same columns as id as integer, okay, and name as varchar 50, and I will use default condition as whenever I don't specify any name, then please take as unknown. Okay, I will just create a record. I have created table and I will try to insert new record, and I will specify only id column over here, and I will just give value for id column as 101. Okay, I will not specify value for a name. Okay, so insert into id, insert into table, and the column name is id, value is 101. Actually I have created table, let's try to insert it and we'll see what is in the table. You can see the value unknown is specified over there because we have not specified a value for a column name. This is about default constant. We can specify default constant for any numeric and non-numeric columns. The last one, I think fourth one, is primary key. First was not null constant, check constant, third default, fourth was unique constant. Okay, so I will create one more table to test unique. It will just enforce database table to accept only unique values in a table in a particular field. Test unique. Okay, table will contain again same id integer. I will specify unique constant and name as varchar 50. I have created table. I will insert values in a test unique table. As 101 and name as ABC. Okay, so it will accept these values because these are unique values, because up to now there is only one record in a table. We'll see content of table is now only one record. Now I will try to insert one more record with similar key. Okay, I will try to use 101 key again for different x, y, z, different name. It will give me error for unique constant violation. If we give some other value as 102, it will accept again a record. You can see there are two records are there. It can accept 102 but cannot accept 101 because it's already used. That's all about unique constant. Now we'll see primary key constant. Okay. This will be combination of not null and unique constant. Okay, and also it will internally create cluster or non-cluster index when we create a primary key on a table. To demonstrate, I will just create one more table as create table test underscore pk with columns as id, int, and I will keep it as a primary key. One more column with name as varchar 50. I will create this table and try to insert values. Values are again 101 and name is equal to name 1. It will accept the value because it is a first value. Similar to our upper case, I will again select all record from this table test pk. There will be ideally only one record because we have inserted only one. Now I will try to insert one more record with null value or duplicate value. Duplicate key value may be 101. I will again give name as a name 2. It will give me error violation of a primary key. Otherwise I will just give null value in key column. It will again give me same error as violation of primary key. If I give some other value as 102, it will accept a value. You can see it has accepted values, and now I have two values in my table. So this is about the primary key. Our last constraint is foreign key. Okay, I will demonstrate by having one more test table as create table test fk as fk id as integer, and it's a primary key of this table with one more column as pkid as integer, and I will assign a foreign key constraint to this table which references to the id column of a test primary key table. References to test underscore pk id column of test pk table, and just create table and try to insert values inside this table. Test fk and values will be, I will try to insert some values which are not in test pk table, so it should give ideally error. Okay, for fkid I will give 501, and for pkid I will try to give something else than 101 and 102. pkid I will give 201, so it will give me error as violation of foreign key. If I give the same names or same values which are already exist in the foreign key table as 101, then it will accept the values because those are already exist in our related table. So you can see the value got accepted. We will see the content, select star from test underscore afk. Will have one more rocket. In this case, if I try to delete some data with this 101 primary key in this table, then it will give me again same error because of this foreign key constant. I will try to delete from test pk where id equal to 101, then it will give me error because I have to first delete record from this master table, and then it will give me permission to delete record from a child table. So this is about foreign key. Thanks for watching my video, and please subscribe my channel if you like these videos, and please continue to watching this type of videos on interview questions. Thank you.